It's been such a long time.
Pull out na ako ng item.
Go and go. Film na siya na. Pero ang daming first bag. Shibal. Wait ka.
I feel like I deserve it. I'm just vlogging that I'm watching purpose right now.
Hi guys, good morning. So this is just a sponty vlog. As in, I just woke up ng early lang today. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not just vlog today? Kasi I have a free day, guys. Natapos ko na maaga yung mga deadlines ko. And so, right now, I'm planning to have a breakfast date. Kasi maaga nga ako nagising. So, lately, I've been going to this specific coffee shop. So, let's go there. And, oh my gosh, it's been such a long time since nag-vlog ako here for YouTube. Although, kakapost ko lang naman last week nung Korea vlog ko. Pero kasi February pa yun. And right now, it's June already and mag-vlog ako, guys. I missed you all. So yeah, tinatry ko talaga, guys, na maging active ulit here on YT. So I'm trying my best. Pero kasi, guys, ang bilis ko kasi ma-overstimulate kapag ang daming nasa plate ko. And I'm really, really sorry for that. Pero right now, I'm trying my best. And ngayon, guys, I'm using pala my Insta360. That's why this is a new setup. Anyway, let's go to this coffee shop. Should we go na? Let's go. Pero if nakasubscribe lang kayo here sa YouTube ko and wala kayong nakikitang any update from me, you guys can check my TikTok instead. Parang almost everyday nagpo-post ako dun, guys. So check my TikTok for a life update from me. And ang dami na nangyari sa life ko, guys. Anyway, another life update from me is I've been stressed since last week, guys. Alam niyo kung bakit? Because I'm trying to secure a ticket for Cortes in Incheon. And since last week pa ako nasa-stress about it, guys. Wait lang. I should focus here first. So, lately pa ako nasa-stress, guys, about dyan sa pag-secure ko ng ticket for Cortes. You know why? Kasi yung Null World ko, or like, para siyang SM tickets here sa atin sa PH or Ticketmaster. Late ko na nalaman na dun pala sa Null World na yun, kailangan verified yung identity ko. Kailangan ko pa i-verify yung account ko para malaman nila na ako talaga yun. Kasi nga, very strict sa Korea mag-secure ng ticket, guys. So, anyway, kumuha ko ng membership for Cortes para sa pre-sale, para makasecure agad ako. And then, nung day nung pre-sale verification, guys, tsaka ko lang nalaman na kailangan ko i-verify yung identity ko. Meron pa naman akong 5 days left, guys, before yung pre-sale ticketing day mismo. And so sabi ko, enough time naman siguro to para ma-verify yung account ko. Guys, sa ika-5th day na verify yung account ko sa araw mismo ng pre-sale ticketing day, so, buzzer beater talaga ako, guys. Imagine the stress I had the past few days para ma-verify yung account ko. Kasi nakalagay dun, guys, 24 hours lang ma-verify na yung account. Pero no! It's been days. And if you've been following me on IG, malalaman yung post ako ng post about it, asking for help kung paano ba ma-verify ng ng fast. And thank you so much to my mutuals and friends on IG for helping me out. Anyway, thank God talaga. At least umabot ako. Pero, sadly guys, I wasn't able to secure a ticket nung pre-sale day. Kasi grabe guys. Sobrang liit lang nung capacity nung venue. Tapos, ang bilis pa niya ma-sold out. Like, oh my gosh. All that stress for nothing. Like, what do you mean? All that stress, tas hindi din ako nakasecure. Pero dyan sale naman later today, later tonight. Hopefully may chance pa ako, guys. Let's see. So I'm gonna vlog that also. Basta guys, stress ako the past few days to secure a ticket. So if you're dealing with the same thing, tip ko lang sa inyo, guys. This tip was suggested by my friend. Shout out to Ate Marge. Actually, I don't know if ito talaga yun, pero it worked for me. So it might as well work for you if you're trying to secure a ticket using Null World. Delete nyo muna yung account nyo, guys. Kasi I deleted my account, yung first account na pina-verify ko. And then, Monday night yun before the pre-sale ticketing day. Dinelete ko yung account ko, tapos I created a new one, and then nagpa-verify ulit ako. Tapos the next morning, okay na siya, guys. And mind you, email ako ng email sa Null World. Null World ba? O NOL World? Anyway, email ako ng email sa kanila and they're not responding. So, imagine the stress I had ng ilang days para ma-verify yung account ko. Para at least man lang. Kasi ang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, at least man lang mailaban ko siya. Like, hindi totally give up agad ako. Pero, nung Monday, guys, sinabi ko na sa sarili ko, I give up. hindi talaga to for me. Nasa acceptance stage na ako na hindi ako makakasali sa pre-sale ticketing day. Thank you to my friends and mutuals na nag-help sa akin. So, nagkaroon pa ako ng chance. Pero, all of that stress for nothing because I wasn't able to secure a ticket. Pero ang hirap nung laban, guys, kasi sobrang daming nag-queue. 15,000 lang yung capacity ng venue, guys. Sobrang hirap makasecure. Although 2 days siya, so that's 30k capacity. Pero ang daming humisigaw na. Ang daming scalpers! Ang daming resellers! Guys, nakakagalit! Oh my God! You all are evil. Sorry guys, ang aga-aga nag-rant ako no? So now, let's have a breakfast first. And then later tonight ko na problemahan yung secure ng ticket, guys. And wala, guys, I don't know. Nakakita pa ako ng news kanina na sold out na daw yung tickets ng day 1 and day 2 for Cortez. Pero I'm not losing hope yet kasi meron pa namang soul stop. And please, sana wag ako ma-evil eye. At least meron dalawang stop in Korea. Mag-world tour na kayo next year. Kasi ngayon, guys, Korea, US, and Japan pa lang available yung tour nila. And mas lalo sa US, guys, parang 3 minutes pa lang daw. Sold out na. What the heck? That's worse. I'm almost near, guys. Later ko ituloy yung kwento ko sa inyo, guys. I'm just gonna park. I missed yapping with you, guys. Hindi ko kasi ito magawa on TikTok since short form lang to. And now I can dal freely with you, guys. Gusto niyo ba ng 1-hour vlog? I feel like that's gonna be fun. Anyway, let's go, guys. I missed vlogging for you guys. Okay, that's the cafe, guys. One classic French toast and creamy matcha po.
Bali, isang classic bread.
Transfer na lang.
Yes, papicare ko na lang.
Here po.
Third ko na. Thank you.
Okay guys, let's sit here outside. I think I'm gonna sit here. Yay guys, I got my food. I have here their creamy matcha and then their French toast. This is a vegan cafe, by the way. I tied my hair up because it's so hot. I'm also watching a UK drama ngayon. I'm watching Teach You a Lesson. Nakaka-satisfy siya because natatarget niya lahat ng bullies and he's teaching them all lessons. Anyway, back to the topic kanina because I wanna yap while eating. My current favorite group right now is Cortez, guys. I feel like you guys know that already from my TikTok, I think. Para silang boy version ng New Jeans. And if you guys know me, you all know how much I love New Jeans. Gets bagets. But anyway, it's been a while since last ako nag-stand sa K-pop group. Because last na naging super active ako sa K-pop world. There's no active pa yung EXO. Like pre-pandemic days, guys, sobrang active ako sa K-pop world. And ngayon na ulit ako nagkaroon ng spark to be active ulit sa K-pop, and it's because of New Jeans and Cortez, guys. And I really feel like you guys don't know the whole story yet kung bakit I super love Korea and ano yung root niya. Bata pa lang ako, I super love K-pop na. So I really grew up watching them and their culture. That's why mayroon akong like love for Korea. Bata pa lang ako. And nawala ako sa K-pop world, hindi na ako naging active because naging inactive yung EXO. And so, 2024, I discovered New Jeans. Although, yeah, medyo late na ako because 2022 sila nag-debut. Pero I discovered them way back 2024 lang. Before sila nagkaroon ng issue. Imagine, kakastan ko pa lang sa kanila, guys. Like, bago pa lang ako nanonood ng shows nila, bago ko pa lang sila like, discover. And then, bigla sila nagka-issue. So, naging inactive ulit sila. So, that made me broken-hearted. And now, bumalik ulit yung spark ko mag-stan ng K-pop group. And it's Cortez. And I just really love their uniqueness. And they're also so funny. I like their humor. And so, that's why I really wanted to watch their first tour in Korea. Because, guys, and my dumb-ass self, binook ko agad yung trip ko next month. Wala pa akong concert ticket. So dumb. Pero okay lang because I'm going there for work rin naman. So double purpose if ever. Pero I'm still trying, guys. Makasecure talaga. Really hoping na kaya pa today. And if not, guys, may isa pang chance. May soul stop pa sila on August. So let's see. And alam niyo ba, when I discovered New Jeans, dun din ako nagkaroon ng transformation sa sarili ko. Like parang nag-rebrand talaga ako because of New Jeans. I got inspired by them. And so yung whole wardrobe ko, from tita outfits, naging streetwear Y2K type of outfits na siya. And I also got bangs during that time and lost weight. So, ang laki talaga ng impact ng new jeans sa akin, guys. I super love new jeans and hopefully they'll be back soon. I miss my girls, guys. Anyway, I'll just continue eating this. And also, I'm gonna watch a K-drama. Guys, update. It's currently 10:23 right now. I think I'm gonna go home in a while. Actually, pwede na ngayon, guys. Medyo I'm feeling sleepy. I feel so sleepy kasi nga sobrang aga ko nagising kanina and also ang init-init na dito, guys. I don't think I can stay here longer. So, let's go inside the car. And parang gusto ko muna matulog. Anyway, tara, uwi na tayo, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back here sa car. And wait lang, sobrang init kasi talaga. Palamigin ko lang muna tong aircon, then tsaka ako uuwi. Gusto ko pa sana magstay dun, guys, kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya yung init. And nasa alfresco na lang ako. And also, it's currently 10:30 now. Masakit na sa balat yung araw. And sobrang init talaga, guys. Naka-sweatpants pa ako. Tapos pinagpapawisan na yung legs ko. I can't. Ang lagkit na tuloy ng feeling ko. Feeling ko maliligo agad ako pag uwi. Let's chill here for a bit. Guys, sobrang bilis maka-overstimulate ng heat, no? Also, guys, gusto ko magpabook later ng teeth whitening. And yes, because matagal ko naman na siya nanonotice, pero nagkakaroon lang talaga ako ng second thoughts about it. Kasi nga, mahilig ako mag-coffee. Sobrang stained na siya from coffee, matcha, ganyan. Pero nagkakaroon ako ng second thoughts about it. Kasi may nagsasabi na parang, mas lalo daw siya magsistain after kung magpa-whiten. So, yun lang naman yung second thoughts ko about it. Pero gusto ko muna siya ipakonsult sa dentist if that's true. And if ano yung maintenance, if ever man magpa-teeth whitening ako, like, ano bang pwede kong gawin after para ma-prevent na mag-stain ulit siya, ganun. Or pwede ba siya once a year or something like that. And plan ko siya sa Makati, guys, because nakita ko siya on TikTok. And parang super okay talaga yung result niya. As in, sobrang nag-whiten talaga yung teeth. So, parang gusto ko siyang itry doon. And kasi, guys, parang di na rin ako comfortable in front of the camera. Especially pag tapat na tapat sa akin yung araw, if good lighting, noticeable na talaga siya. And I wanna get rid of it. Anyway, let's go home na. I wanna rest first and eat lunch. I'll be back later, guys. Guys, it's the next day and I'm currently here at BGC because umatanda ako ng event. Actually, parang hindi siya event. More of, nag-pull out na ako ng item from ABC Mart and I have a new shoe. And hindi ko na siya vlog here sa YouTube, guys, because I vlog it separately on my TikTok, so watch that, guys. Right now, I wanna eat. Actually, I'm gonna meet up with Heaven later. Pero kasi around 6 p.m. pa yun. And we're gonna eat hot pot sa Binondo. And right now, guys, I want matcha. So I think I'm gonna get matcha first. And malapit lang siya here sa High Street. And yes, guys, I'm using my Insta360 right now because super tiny lang nito. I feel like I'm gonna switch here na nga, guys. Kasi sobrang liit niya. Kasya lang talaga siya here sa bag ko. But anyway, let's get matcha first. And look, guys, nag-fit check na rin pala ako kanina. Sobrang dami niya. Yes, ganito ako mag-fit check, guys. Sobrang daming things all the time. And pinapawisan na ako kasi super init right now. Alam mo yung malagkit na mainit because sobrang araw kanina and then umulan. So, ang lagkit niya sa feeling. What the hell? And yes, I'm currently walking here sa High Street. And guys, kaya rin pala din ako nag-update sa inyo kagabi or like, di ko na na-feel yung pag-try ko ng secure dito. Kasi wala. Lamyang-lamya na ako, guys. Hindi pa rin ako nakaka-secure but I'm not losing hope. Grabe, ang daming scalpers na resellers na nakita ko on text. Baka guys, nagalit ako sa mga scalpers na yan. But hopefully, i-refund nila yun. And try pa din mag-camp every day or every night. And baka sakali may makuha pa akong ticket. That's the life update, guys. Kaya di na ako nag-update kagabi. But anyway, we're here na sa matcha place. Okay, guys, we're here na at Cupcake. Let's go inside. One ice matcha oat po. Yeah.
Anything else, ma'am?
That's it po. Do you guys accept card payment po?
Cardless and cashless po.
Okay, sige.
Yes, and
Gcash na lang po. Ano po? Thank you. Let's just wait for my order. Thank you. Sorry. So I got matcha oat latte. Okay, let's mix it. And then guys, mag-book na rin pala ako ng Grab or GSM. while waiting here. Oh, it's so good. So anyway, back to the kwento nga while I'm booking. Hindi na ako nag-update sa inyo kagabi because lamyang-lamya na. Like, wala na akong energy to like pick up the camera and mag-vlog. Kasi ang hirap talaga mag-secure ng ticket kasi konti lang yung capacity ng venue. So hard. Calling heaven because kasama ko siya later. So let's call him. Can I go na? Sorry, nag-customize pa ako ng charms. I'm booking. Sana meron agad akong mag-book. And by the way guys, I've been booking lately using Blin GSM kasi mas mura siya talaga. Guys, I'm here in Binondo na pala. I'm with Heaven. And we're gonna eat hot pot. And I'm also vlogging for TikTok. Si Heaven muna bala sa inyo, guys.
Angel lang.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to my channel. And today, let's go to Binondo. Guys, we're gonna go to Hengha. We're gonna eat hot pot. Let's go.
Ganda ng outfit nyo. Isang outfit check na.
Outfit check. Giving what? Yes. Vlog take over.
Ay, hindi po, madam, sir.
Vlog,
Aurahan ko na lang kayo, guys.
Pero it's not okay. Guys, we're gonna eat hot pot and ano yun?
Thank you, Mika. Ito yung
Guys,
Egypt.
dapat mag-iikot kami dito sa Binondo kanina. Kaso,
Mas parang
nagtutom
labo
na.
niya.
Malabo yan ngayon, pero pag in-import mo siya. Dapat mag-iikot pa kami here sa Binondo. Kaso nagutom na kami sobra, so punta na kami agad here sa Henhow. Ito yung soup base namin, and then toppings, and we are excited to eat. Ito po ba nagla-lunch?
Paning dalawa.
So first meal. Ako, hindi ko siya first meal, pero first heavy meal. Kasi nag-light meal ako kaninang morning, guys, for this. Kasi alam ko mag-hot pot ako later. Can you guys even hear me? I'm not really sure. So grabe. Sobrang dami.
Dami.
Guys, ito yung xiao kao or skewers. Ang sarap. Nagugutom na ako. Oh my God. Let's eat, guys. Okay, watch us eat, guys.
What?
Guys, update. Si Heaven na lang umuubos yung lahat. Gulat naman ako dun. But, pinifinish na lang
I
namin
actually celebrate your birthday nila pala.
Happy birthday! But anyway, guys, hindi pala ako rin dito.
Sunflower oil plus rosemary oil sa keratin plus keratin na may plus.
Guys, we are back again in the car. Okay guys, magpapaderma kasi ako right now. And pupunta ako dun sa clinic na lagi kong pinupuntahan. And so, let us go! Wait lang, I'll just fix my setup here. So, I'm kinda rushing na actually, guys. Kasi, meron pa akong need mga tapusan later. Magpapa-facial lang ako and some few treatments. Because lately, guys, I've been really investing sa sarili ko. Like, self-care, ganyan. Yes. Kailangan ko rin tong araw na to, guys. Because, like, I've been stressed for the past few days. Alam nyo na yan. Oh no, nahuhulog. Shibal. Wait lang. Wait nga. Oh my God. Kasi, ako makahanap ng perfect setup, I'm back. I just fixed you guys. So, alam nyo na yan, I've been stressed because hindi nga ako nakasecure ng ticket, diba? So, pero I'm still trying, guys. Nagka-camp naman ako every day or every night. Baka sakali, you know, magkaroon ng milagro. Who knows? Pero guys, may nilulook forward naman ako because I'm gonna see EXO in 2 weeks! Oh my God! I'm gonna see them again after... Wait, 6? Oo, 6 years ata. 7 years actually. And I'm gonna see them After 7 freaking years. Oh my God. So, ayun, that's that. May nilook forward ako na concert. And as a type A, guys, hindi pa rin ako mapakali kasi nga, wala pa yung outfits ko. And 2 weeks na lang, guys, hindi pa dumadating yung outfits ko. I ordered it online. And as a type A, gusto ko talaga kasi prepared na siya at least 2 weeks before para, you know, just in case na, ay, hindi siya maganda on me. May time akong like, palitan siya or what, diba? Ayun, inaantay ko na lang pero hopefully this week dumating na siya para just in case lang, you know. And I ordered like a bunch of stuff just in case na hindi magkasya yung isa or hindi maganda yung fit sa akin. Meron akong other choices. If you guys don't know, I'm a type A person. As in, super type A ako, guys. Like, to the point na I get so irritated kapag hindi nasusunod yung plans accordingly. Or like, kapag hindi organize yung mga bagay-bagay, ganun. Also, magpapagas din pala ako ngayon. Yeah. Sana wag ko makalimutan. Before ako pumunta sa clinic, magpapagas pala muna ako. Okay. Noted. Huwag ko lang sana makalimutan, guys. Okay, we made it to the gas station. And nandito na lang din yung clinic. So, I'm just gonna go there after. Papagas lang ako muna, guys. Kuya, price lock 10 liters. Price lock 10 liters. I am so overwhelmed. Sabi ko sa inyo, guys, sobrang bilis ko ma-overstimulate. Like, parang naglalaglag lahat ng mga gamit ko kapag no-overstimulate ako. That's it. Now, let's go sa clinic. Dito lang siya sa loob ng bus din, guys. Like, may kanto here. Going there. And if you guys are from Laguna or here in Santa Cruz, you guys should visit them. And alam ko may pickleball na rin sila dito na court. Yeah. I wanna try pickleball, guys. Parang it looks fun. Ito. Pickleball ba to? Feeling ko ito yun eh. Or hindi. Sana makapag-pickleball ako next time. Sorry guys, hawak ko kayo kasi wala akong tripod here. So, inahawakan ko na lang kayo dyan. Okay, let's head out. And guys, we're gonna go to Maliwat Medical Hub. So, I'm just gonna get some few treatments here. Let's go inside. Ay, hello tita. Hello po. Okay lang po. This is the place, guys. It's so cute. So cute. It's giving coquette. So, ito yung mga available nilang treatments, guys. Okay, so I will get Korean glass skin facial and premium glutatrip. Just 2 treatments for today. And then after this, guys, I wanna get coffee. I want a full self-care day. Actually, parang gusto ko din magpamassage later tonight. So, I'm thinking about that also. Already, guys, let's go inside. It's here. They're gonna leave this on for about like minutes. So refreshing. Ano ba tawag dito, miss?
Vacuum.
Vacuum po.
Ano ng face? Okay, miss.
Thank you.
Ano lang pwede sa iyo.
Glass skin. Pero last time po, tinry ko dito yung Hydra facial. So parang itong Korean glass skin for maintenance na lang din ng skin ko po. Medyo madami pa po ba akong blackheads?
Wala nga. May open pores ka.
Nung last punta ko po dito, parang doon po talaga natanggal lahat eh.
Matagal na yun, di ba?
Oo po, parang mga 2 months ago. Yun po kasi yung major problem ko dati. Lagi ang dami ko pong blackheads. For what naman po to?
Ito naman po, nakakatulong siya na makapagpalit mo ng mga acne, makapag-close ng mga open pores. High frequency.
High frequency. Updates. So we're just leaving this whitening cream for 15 minutes. And then I think may another step after this. I'm not really sure. I forgot what it's called. And then I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna use my phone. Magdo-doom scroll na naman ako, guys. I'm still thinking if magpapamassage ako later tonight. Parang gusto ko nang i-full yung self-care day today. Because I feel like I deserve it. Because I've also been working like non-stop the past few weeks. And this is my, you know, free/self-care day. And it's really important to have a self-care day or at least treat yourself, guys. That's my number one tip. Always treat yourself to a good self-care day. Meron lang po dito, ate.
Meron.
Yeah. Thank you po.
K-Dharma.
K-Derma. So, yan po yung key for K-glass skin. Sige po. Okay, we're gonna put K-Derma mask. Mask ba siya, ate? Ah, okay. Yung pinaprepare lang siya ni ate, guys. Parang nakita ko na siya on TikTok before. Excited. Pwede po magmulat dito or no?
Pwede ka magsalita. Ay, tama sa na.
Ayan.
Sa mata.
Yes po. Parang nakita ko na nga to ate before pala. Ayan.
Okay, start.
Okay po. So nice. Ang grabe naman ang glow, guys. It's giving Korean glass skin talaga. I'm like shining. I'm like a mirror. I'm shining. Guys, we're back in the car and ngayon traffic lang. So, yeah, I just finished. And grabe, it took me 3 hours, guys, to finish the facial. Sobrang sulit talaga here sa Maliwat Beauty Lounge. If you're from Santa Cruz, Laguna, you should drop by here. Sobrang laki ng changes sa mukha ko, guys. Naging glass skin talaga ako. Para akong mirror. I'm like glowing. Also, I feel so refreshed and glowing today, guys. Ang ganda niya. I love it. Parang gusto ko to gawin every once in a while, like every month, ganun. Also, guys, super sulit sa kanila because ang haba ng process niya. Ang daming nilalagay na products on my face. Kompleto yung process. It took me 3 hours, guys, for that facial, for the Korean glass skin facial. Also, ang dami nilang equipments na ginagamit or like machines. So, right now, I'm just gonna eat. I'm really starving, guys. Tsaka hindi pa ako nagkakape. So, magkakape muna ako ngayon. Feel ko, guys, matutuloy ako mag-book ng massage appointment ngayon. Kasi wala lang, I feel tired. And susulitin ko na tong self-care day ko. Since andito na lang, nandun naman ako, edi go. But right now, let's eat first as part of my self-care day. And pupunta tayo doon sa favorite coffee shop ko here in my hometown. Like, literally, guys, every day, kapag nandito ako in Laguna, every day ako bumibili ng coffee sa kanila. Non-stop yun. I super love their Spanish latte. You guys should try them if napapunta kayo dito sa Laguna. Okay, guys, we're here. That's the coffee shop. It's called the Coffee Affair Bistro or TCA. Grabe naman yung grabe naman yung araw. 1 chicken gujons, kuya. Tsaka po Spanish latte. For here po. May Spanish latte arrived first. Then I'm watching Corpus right now. Okay, let's mix my coffee first. I got Spanish latte. Alam niyo, guys, kung bakit super love ko TCA, it's because they have affordable coffee and food. Tapos they're pet friendly. They have Wi-Fi, so very perfect for like if you have work or like school works. They have sockets here. And they're very accommodating. They have like the nicest staff ever. Kaya I super love TCA. Like, wala pa nakakahigit sa kanya sa top 5 ko. Top 1 ko pa din siya until now. And before, guys, parang every day, every single day, nandito kami ni Heaven. Although I still get coffee from them every day. But like before, as in physically, nandito kami every day. Tapos order lang kami ng order. Tapos tumatambay lang kami dito. Ganun. What a time. I also got their banana bread here. Pero I got chicken gujons. So I'm still waiting for that. So good. By the way pala, guys, I'm filming through my phone ngayon kasi I forgot my DJI. And dala ko naman yung camera ko but hindi ganun ka-nice yung audio. Kapag kinokonek ko tong DJI mic ko here, hindi siya ganun ka-audible. Gets. So, I'm using my phone right now. Also, guys, nagpabook na pala ako ng massage appointment. So, tuloy tayo sa massage ko around 8:30. It's just 6 p.m. ngayon. Kakain pa kasi ako. So, yeah. So, excited for my massage later. Self-care day it is. Finally, my chicken gujons. Okay, guys, let's have a bite while I'm watching a show right now. This is so good, guys. Especially yung gravy nila. Ang savory. First bite. What is this? Lagay ko na nga lang kayo here. We're just waiting. Pero sakto ako sa appointment ko. It's 8 p.m. ako nag-Costco. And it's sakto. I'm also with my mommy. Say hi, mommy. 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 Hi. Kinis. I'll see you guys sa loob na lang. I am just gonna change. I'll be back later, guys. Or this might end the vlog.